Hi Cancer, let's see your mid-February reading for you and your person this month. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Cancer and their Valentine this in the mid of the month of February 2021. Okay, so just a second. Okay, what is there for my Cancers and their person? Tarot, my angels, please guide me for my Cancers and their person this month. Mid-February 2021, what is going on for my Cancers and their person? Okay. What is going on for Cancers? So let's see, what are your feelings towards them, Cancer? Okay, 5 of Cups. And what are their feelings towards you? 10 of Swords. Oh my god, what happened, Cancer? It's a broken relationship. I think you are thinking about an ex over here. This person is already gone from your life and their feelings are literally ended. I don't know, but this is the energies over here. You might be single, Cancer, because, well, I was going to read about a committed Cancer over here, but I feel that over there is a single Cancer who is listening to this video. Okay, because you are not in a very good position over here, Cancer. See how this person is literally crying. Yes, you are, those memories, you are thinking about those time when you might be with your person hanging out and enjoying and having some drinks. Yeah, but your person over here, Cancers, it's like it's over from them. Yeah, let's see, what was the problem, what was the obstacle in this relationship? The High Priestess. Okay, something was hidden, I feel. Something was there, and somebody hid something from someone, and then it was like when it came to light, because you had that intuition, Cancer, that something is wrong, and when that thing came in front of you, you were shattered like anything. Okay, your step towards this thing, 2 of Wands, and their step towards this relationship, 2 of Pentacles. Okay, so I don't feel that they're going to do anything with this relationship now. They have entered this relationship somewhere, Cancer, and you are also in some other journey, I feel. With this past person, I feel it's over. Okay, because they are too busy in their other lives. Basically, 2 of Pentacles, this is something else. It's like they are just going to, they are busy doing something else. They are doing their work, office work, family issues. There are a lot of things they are being busy with. It's not the thing, this love relationship is not the thing for them right now. And you are also some other place. You are, might be traveling. You might have big plans for your future, for your career. So over here, in regards with love, it's like you still think about that person, but in regards with your career, it's like you have big plans for your future. The final outcome, the Wheel of Fortune, is here. So yes, the time wheel is telling you that it's time to not be there. Okay, it's time to move on. It's the karma of life. It's the wheel of cycle, that Wheel of Fortune, that cycle which has to rotate now. So be ready to experience some big changes in your life. Let's clarify some cards over here. Let's see. So why is the High Priestess over here in the obstacle? Why is the High Priestess over here? The Moon. Yeah, see, I told you that something was hidden. And yes, the High Priestess with the Moon, it's like something hidden, it came out in light, and you couldn't even imagine why this thing happened. You still are finding answers, I feel, that why this thing happened. Because Cancer, this was not your energy before. It was something different. You were happy with this person very much, and all of a sudden this person appeared to be something else, and it was like you couldn't take that situation. And now you are not ready. You are ready to explore the world, you are ready to experience new things, but not love right now. You are shattered because of love, but with your career stuff, I feel that you have big plans. Let's clarify this Two of Wands. Why the Two of Wands is here? What plans are we talking about for my Cancers? Why this Two of Wands is here? So we have the Hanged Man. Yeah, so you have started taking things in a very different way. You might be little orthodox before, but now it's like, life goes on. Life has to move. We have to move on. Whatever the situation is, we have to move on. We cannot stay in a particular situation. I cannot be with a person. I cannot just cry for somebody who was not there for me ever. So I have to move on now. So you are taking some time for yourself, but yes, you have a big planning going on inside your head. Why this Two of Pentacles in their cards? Why the Two of Pentacles is here? Seven of Cups. See, it's looking to me as if they were always confused with you, Cancer. It was like you gave them everything, but they couldn't give you. They were confused. They didn't know what to do. And if you are thinking that they are going to come back, I don't feel so. It's like it's over from them. Okay. Let's see the final outcome. The Emperor. Okay, so Wheel of Fortune with the Emperor, and I need one more, Three of Wands. So after Two of Wands, we have the Three of Wands. So the things which you were planning about new situations, new goals in your life. So it is actually coming to fruition, because whatever you were planning, you are actually doing that thing. Okay, your thoughts are going towards action, and you are working for your stuff with big zeal inside you, with full faith inside you, and you are ready to work for your life. Okay, so this is more about self-love, we can say. But with this relationship, it's over, Cancer. Okay, so it may not resonate with all of you, so do not feel that if it's not your story, so don't take it or don't try to make it yours. All right, so that is all from my side, Cancer. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.